Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a basic tutorial on how to corrupt your plants in Plant versus Brainrot game on Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already joined the game, and if you want to corrupt your plant, you need to go to the central island right here guys, and you can go to this area. Okay, corrupted plant pantry. You can bring your plants to corrupt them. Okay, and you can give your plant to this NPC. And I'm going to submit my pumpkin, for example, and I'm going to click on give plant. And you will have this question. And I'm going to click yes. Okay, and plant corruption has been started, and you just need to wait for 5 minutes and the plant will be automatically added to your inventory. I have already corrupted this eggplant, this one. It's already corrupted. Okay guys, and that's how we can corrupt our plants in Plant versus Brainrot game on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.